Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna be taking a look at the TrickFlow Gen X Ls2 top end kit. We're gonna put it on the GTO build, so stick around, we're gonna take a look at it. As you can see, this kit comes with almost everything you would need to do this in a weekend. This kit was pretty much designed for the weekend warrior that wants to pull his car in, knock it out in one weekend, no guesswork. I mean, these heads look phenomenal. I mean, they look great. The port jobs on them, CNC, which you can't beat it. The cam that comes with this kit is a 238 intake, 242 exhaust at 50 thousandths, which is a pretty nice size cam. You know, it should have some good low end torque, which is kind of what we're looking at. I have seen people that have went with just a touch smaller cam for like a road racing, but this cam should do the trick. I mean, as you can see, this is a nice kit. Okay, well there it is. Can't wait to get this installed. Can't wait to get my customer's car done, get it back to him. Hopefully in the next few days, I'm gonna get the motor put together. Had a few little more things to order for it, but I'm gonna get that done. I will be making a video about that. But I guess stay tuned, subscribe if you wanna follow this build, and if not, I appreciate you watching. I'll see you in the next one.